everybody, so today we're going to learn the basics of Microsoft PowerToys. Microsoft PowerToys is an app published by Microsoft and it has lots of features. You can improve your computer with a massive types of features. As you can do it on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So, first we're going to learn how to download it, and then we're going to learn the basics of it. And one day I'm going to make a full tutorial about how to use it. So, let's start. First, open the Microsoft Store, then search for PowerToys. Once you search for it, you'll find here Microsoft PowerToys. So, let's click on it. And then wait. And I already have it installed on my computer. Here I can see installed. But if you don't have it installed on your computer, you can click on install. So now let's learn the basics of PowerToys. So once you download the app, you might see an interface like this. If you don't see an interface like this, let's go to General. And then click on check for updates. I have the version 0.77.0. And here I want to show you the basics to learn how to use PowerToys. So here the first feature that we're going to use that is color picker. Yeah, it might seem boring, but maybe you have a color on your desktop. You can press the shortcut key, Windows Shift C is within color, and here I can choose a color. Ooh, what is this color? This is the color of cup and look. That's what we're gonna see later. But here you can see the color, and you can copy the hex, the RGB, and the S and the HS. You know what this means. Here again, you can see your recent colors. I can remove this one, and I can export it. And here, let's click on close. I said I'm gonna look at crop and look. So let's do it. So here, the next feature that we're gonna see, like I said, is crop and lock menu. Like that's to use it. Just press. First, I'm gonna use the app Paint. You're gonna see why. Just press the shortcut key, which is Windows Control Shift T. And now here let's select the canvas. Nice red rectangle though. Here, see this white. Everything is boring except it stays on top. But here, wow, it's copying everything! And here, I can do anything, and it copies it in this window. So, let's move on to the next feature. So, the next feature is called Fancy Zones. With Fancy Zones, you can move windows into different parts of your screen. We'll see what. Here, let's go to the editor section and then click on Launch Layout Editor. And then here, let's select this grid, and then you can edit it by clicking on this icon. Then you can click on. You can choose the number of zones, too many, and here is 4 thousands. And here let's click on save. And here let's close the editor. And here let's open Google Chrome like this. And here let's click on once we select it, let's click on shift. And here I can place it in these places. Let's place it here. Wow. And here. Oops. Here. Maybe here. Ooh. I have lots of different sections. Yeah. So, this is fancy zones. Let's move on to the last feature of today, which is mouse utilities. Find my mouse. Here in my tutorial videos, you'll see me when I press the control key and makes this circle on my mouse. But I need better than that. Here, maybe you saw it in my part of crop and lock. When I shake my mouse, you see this selector that is around my mouse. How to do it? Open mouse utilities and then go to find my mouse and then turn it on. And here, you might find it here. Press left control twice. Left control, okay, twice. Once I press it twice, here you can see that selector. Here, if I choose this one, if I do it again, it won't work. But with the right one, it works. And here, this is very amazing. Shake. It's actually the text. If you shake your mouse, it will highlight it. But the one downside is when I go to the start menu and shake my mouse, it does not work. It works on my desktop and on other apps, like I can open File Explorer, and here I can move it and it works. Well, but other than that, it's very great. So this is the basics of PowerToys. But here I'm gonna add a bonus feature to my video. I wanted to add it, so here let's go to mouse utilities, and then here let's select on, and here it says activation shortcut. I don't know what is it, so let's just activate it. Windows Shift H. Nothing happens. Well, I guess let's go back to always on top. What is that? You see the feature. If you click on anything, a circle comes and highlights the place that you have clicked on it. If you have some tutorial video and want people to know where to click, you can do that. To turn it off, let's press the shortcut key again, Windows Shift H. Here is turn on, Windows Shift H, on, Windows Shift H, off. So, now this is the basics of PowerToys. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. And if you did, please hit the subscribe button and like this video so you can see more videos like this. So, see you again.